Hey everyone, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina, and today I'm going to be telling you how to cook a turkey breast in your Instant Pot. But we're not going to be pressure cooking the turkey. We're going to be using the sous vide technique. The only requirement is you do need to have the sous vide button on your Instant Pot, or if you have the Ultra model, you can use the Ultra setting to set a custom temperature. Also make sure you check out my sous vide beginner's guide. I've never had an overcooked or undercooked or dry turkey breast when I've done it the sous vide way. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfectly cooked, foolproof turkey breast for your next holiday gathering. This recipe was made with a 3-pound turkey breast, but I have used a 5-pound turkey breast with the same timing. So the first thing you want to do is rub the turkey breast with spices. You can use salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun spices, any spice of your choice, and rub generously with the spice. The next thing you want to do, tie the turkey breast with kitchen twine, and we're doing this to give the turkey a uniform shape so that it cooks evenly. Place the turkey breast in a gallon-size freezer bag and take out as much air as you can. And then seal the zip closed almost all the way, leaving just about an inch open. And once that's done, I like to refrigerate it until it's ready to go into the sous vide water bath. And that also serves the dual purpose of marinating the turkey breast for a little bit. Add water to the Instant Pot. You want enough water so that the bag of turkey is fully submerged. I like to add warm water because this gives the water bath a head start, because it needs to get to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you add warm water, it takes that much less time to get to the temperature. Program the Instant Pot to sous vide. Press the sous vide button. Adjust the temperature to 145 degrees. And adjust the time to 4 hours and press start. Close the lid and let the water heat up to the sous vide temperature of 145 degrees, at which point the Instant Pot will beep. Open the lid once it beeps and measure the temperature to make sure that the 145 degrees has been reached. Carefully lower the freezer bag into the water. As you lower the bag into the water, you can use a chopstick to push it down because it's going to be hot. You'll see that the air slowly escapes from the bag, and this is called the displacement method. Make sure that the bag has an opening so there's room for the air to escape, and always make sure that the opening of the bag stays above the level of the water. Now, if you have a vacuum sealer, by all means, go ahead and use that because that would give you a true vacuum seal. But I find that the freezer bags work fine for me. Now we're going to seal the bag all the way. And here you can see that the bag has almost no air. I think we've done a pretty good job. Now close the lid, and just to be safe, go ahead and put the steam release valve in the venting position. The sous vide range is from 3 to 6 hours. You can take it out at 3 hours. I generally keep it for 4 hours, but it should be cooked by 3 hours, and you can leave it for up to 6 hours. When the time is up, open the lid. Now remove the bag from the water. Be careful, the water is going to be hot. I'm using my fingers here, but you probably want to use silicone gloves or something to protect yourself in case the water is too hot. I'm going to remove the turkey and dry it with some paper towels. I'm going to air fry the turkey, so I place a rack in the Instant Pot and place the turkey on the rack. If you don't have an air fryer, you can broil the turkey breast in the oven. This browning step is not absolutely necessary. It just gives the turkey breast a nice golden color. If I'm using the turkey breast for sandwiches, I don't bother to brown it. Put on the air fryer lid and program it to air fry at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. It may not take 10 minutes, so just check on the turkey periodically to make sure it's not burning. About halfway through, open the lid and brush the turkey breast with some melted butter or oil. This will give the turkey breast a nice golden glow. Put the lid back on and let it continue air frying. And once the time is up, remove the lid and take the turkey out and let it rest on a cutting board for about 10 to 15 minutes. My apologies, I messed up and don't have the video of me cutting into the turkey breast, but you have to take my word for it that it was extremely moist and tender. In case you've missed it, here's the Beginner's 101 video on how to use sous vide in your Instant Pot. Thank you for watching and see you next time.